What is crawl budget and why does it matter for SEO? Crawl budget is an important component that we don't always talk about, and it is the number of pages that Googlebot crawls on your site in a given time frame. If your site has a lot of low value pages or crawling issues, Google might not index your more important ones. The most recent example I have seen is related to calendar events. For instance, if your company hosts a lot of events that then get posted on the website, your site may be holding on to those events even after they've come and gone, which means that previous events that have already happened, may be using up your crawl budget and preventing search engines from crawling your more important pages. You can optimize your crawl budget by cleaning up your duplicate content, blocking unnecessary pages via robots.txt, and improving site speed as well as internal linking.